Hello guys, yes Shivli and you're welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make yummy and delicious curry of potato and green peas. It's a very simple recipe to make and super yummy to eat. So guys, let's see the recipe. At first I'm taking a pressure cooker and now we need to boil the potatoes and the green peas. So here I'm taking 4 potatoes without peeling off, and here are frozen peas. You may take the fresh one, there is no problem. And after adding them, I'm adding some water. According to assumption, I'm adding about 3 cups of water for 4 potatoes and some peas. After adding water, we need to cover the lid and cook the potatoes and peas. On high heat, we'll wait until the first whistle, and after that we'll turn the heat on the lowest and we'll wait for about 10 minutes. And after that, after the pressure is released itself, we'll uncover the lid. And now I'm checking, the potatoes are cooked very well and the green peas are also cooked as well. So now I'm taking them off from the pressure cooker, and you can see that the water is fully green now because of the food color added to the green peas to make a dark green color. So it's safe to buy the whole beans of green peas from market. You can see how much color is added to them. So now I'm going to peel off all the potatoes, and after peeling off we need to break them into pieces. You may cut them instead, or you may break them with the help of a spoon in the pan after adding them in the pan for curry. But now I'm breaking them with my hand like this. I'm not making so big pieces. You may change the size of the pieces according to your wish, there's no problem. So our potatoes are ready and green peas are also ready. Now let's go for the pan. I'm adding some cooking oil for gravy. You may change the quantity of oil, there's no problem according to your wish. And after the oil is heated well, I'm adding some tadka. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and about half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 to 3 bay leaves. After all the whole spices are crackled well, I'm going to add the onion. I have taken 2 big sized potatoes and chopped them finely. After adding the onions, we need to wait for some time on medium to high heat until the color starts to be brown. We need to stir it occasionally, and now you can see that the color has started to be brown. Now I am adding about 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. You may add ginger garlic paste instead, but I am skipping ginger for this recipe. After the raw flavor of garlic is gone, we need to add the tomatoes. I'm taking 2 big sized tomatoes finely chopped. After adding tomatoes, we need to add some salt according to taste. After mixing well, we need to add some more spices. 1.5 teaspoon of coriander seeds powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, red chili powder according to taste, and here it is kanda lasun masala. It's a Maharashtra special spices mixture. You may skip it if you don't have it or if you don't like it. After mixing a little, I am adding some garam masala as well, half teaspoon of garam masala. After mixing well, I am going to add the boiled peas. Yes, I am adding the boiled peas in this spices mixture now. And after mixing well, I'm going to cover the pan for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium to low heat to cook the spices well and for making the tomatoes soft. After about 3 minutes on low heat, the tomatoes are nicely soft now and all the spices are cooked well. Now I'm adding the boiled and broken potatoes, mixing a little, not needed, and now adding water for gravy. Keep the water quantity according to how thick or how thin you want your gravy to be. After mixing, I think I should add a little more water. And after adding water, I'm going to cover the pan and cook the curry for about 7 to 8 minutes on high heat. And after about 8 to 9 minutes, this is the texture of the curry. I think the gravy should be a little thicker than this. So I'm going to boil the curry for another 2 to 3 minutes on a high heat. In the meantime, I'm adding some finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. After mixing well, I'll let the curry boil for about 2 minutes again. And after that, this is the texture of the curry and it's fully perfect for me, as you can see. So now I'm turning the heat off, and after that I'll leave it for rest for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of rest, this is the texture of the curry. You can see that it's so shiny to look at now, and the gravy is thicker than before. So guys, let's serve it. It's so much delicious guys with boiled rice or roti or chapati as well. The recipe is super simple as you have watched it. So try this simple recipe at home and don't forget to share your experience with me. Hit the like button guys if you really like the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.